Oh, it's on camera?
Yeah.
Fuck a million. Fuck a million. Or fuck a trillion. Or fuck a billion. You know I'm on one. Cause I keep coming on this flow and you know I'm tweaking. And I be on that highest peak on day week when I be coming on that shit that be on that sheet. And you know you wanna be low blowing at the knees. I'm like, nigga, please, you can't do nothing cause $1 million ain't gonna be nothing and not even to get to be bumping. And you're disgusting cause it ain't nothing. And every time I pulling something, making money by my bluffing. And your shit ain't nothing. And you're disgusting. And just be, everybody's loving. And that's all it is on the biz. And I probably gotta go to the bathroom right now because I feel like I gotta take a shit. It's probably that Mexican food that I got and it's still in my truck. And it's probably bad luck. Cause I know that it's probably rotten and not good, but I'm still from the hood, and I keep it like Englewood, or Tanglewood, or Slang That Wood. The only wood that I be slanging, you know, is that shit that goes boom, shadoom, like a witch on the broom. And I'm still going and flowing, and without no one knowing, it's like in St. Louis, and you know, he's got that weed that's growing, that bomb shit, and everybody knows that it's like that fucking Vietnam shit. Like, damn, someone's on that name palm, and everybody wants to come up with that song. What did you just say? Let's just pause, let's rewind, and hear that rhyme one more time. That's how we want to hear it, because you know his shit's like dope every time. You know, what's going, and the song's still going, and I'm still flowing, and St. Doe's always knowing, and hell no, that girl best not get with Paul. And I'm like, what the fuck, I'm gonna have to break someone's jaw. And millionaire, I got my best friend capping, and you're like, what? Not ever happen. You need to stop because you ain't got no money at all. And every time the only thing you want to buy is that one testicle. And it's nothing. And my girl's like, what? It's disgusting. And she's a white girl, man. She's shorter than you. And every time you talk about something, it's that same old crew. It's like, man, I got Angrave on this shit. And I'm like, motherfucker, bitch, get someone else on your clique. You need something new? Man, she got Dylan spin. He comes over here, man, and he's got that whole hands whipping. And he like, what? You got millions. Oh, he's faking, man. That blood is spilling.
You do realize it was like
Done already?
no, it was fucking
Never recording?
no, fucking video recording, and you're all it's all way up here in your grill.
Fuck yeah, I was all, what's up, bitch? So can we